He's made his intentions clear from the off by naming a strong starting lineup to welcome Wolverhampton Wanderers. The guests had suffered 2 relegations, 1 promotion and been through 7 managers since their last FA Cup win. But they started with determination as John Daddy Bardvarsen ran and ran but couldn't quite hit the target after less than 2 minutes. After sensing an opening, Wolves pounced. Helder Costa was almost alone when the ball fell to him on the half-hour mark, but his finish still afforded much applause. The Benfica loanee giving Stoke keeper Lee Grant no chance, a celebration befitting a marvellous goal. Peter Crouch must have thought he was going to mark a reported new contract offer in style with the simplest of finishes next. Only he'll know how he fired over from there, though. A moment of controversy opened up the second half as George Saville bundled over Xherdan Shaqiri. The Stoke team incensed when referee Mike Jones pointed for a free kick. The resulting dead ball again had Stoke in uproar. Shaqiri's effort brought shouts of handball, but they too fell on deaf ears. Stoke would have equalised but for the Herculean efforts of Nigerian goalkeeper Kale Ikeme, first denying Arnautovic, and it didn't stop there. Another glorious chance fell to Crouch. Another phenomenal save from Ikeme kept Paul Lambert's side in front. Not even the informed Joe Allen could find a way past Ikeme. His fizzing strike looked destined for the back of the net, but Ikeme pulled out the acrobatics, with Wolves closing in on a famous upset. And after enduring the onslaught, Wolves got their reward. Gary Doherty's 4th of the season was perhaps his finest. It knocked the Potters out at this stage for the first time since 2009, gave Wolves their first win in the competition since 2011, and sent the travelling faithful home in full voice. Round 4 awaits the Wolves.